Hybrids can be quite entertaining. Over the last few years, many supercar makers have been leaning on this electric tech to improve performance and aid in everyday drivability. One example of this, the Acura NSX. What Acura has done is taken a 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine and paired it with a set of electric motors. All told, the setup is good for 573 horsepower and the ability to run completely silently.
My favorite bit of tech here though, it's the torque vectoring. Most do this with braking. The NSX does it by altering the power flow to the front wheels. There are 2 motors in the nose and each one wants to get you through the corners quickly. Here's what this looks like on a short autocross course, driven by yours truly. Now here's what this looks like when the car's driven by an actual professional. This is Peter Cunningham, one of the greatest sports car drivers of all time.
Through the use of all this modern technology, we're creating cars that are fun to drive and a little bit better for the environment. And with the tech improving all the time, it's only going to get better.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to ride.tech for stories, reviews, and more news.